Right, this video really follows on from the text video that I did earlier, and this is going to be about images. I'm going back to the same page. You find your pages, whichever page you actually want to work on. Use your icons at the top here to change from the wireframe to desktop. What these icons are actually for is so that you can see what your page is going to look like on a tablet and on a mobile as well. That's actually really handy because if you do make changes, you want to make sure that they look good on all devices. Right, so now we're going to look at image modules. We've got the text module there that I made earlier. This is an image module. You go highlight it till you've got your grey mini menu there and the icon, which is the module settings. There you'll see the image that I've used. If you want to change that image, you click on it. It will take you to something called the media library. Your media library holds all of the images that have been uploaded to the back of your website previously. If you want to do a new add a new image that isn't in the media library, up here in the top left you've got media library, you've got upload files. You click upload files and you click this button here to select files, which will take you to your PC, to your place on your computer where all your images are that you want to upload to the website. I go back to the media library. I'll just change that image over just for the sake of it. So you click on the one that you want. Keep aware when you're changing images that whether they're portrait or landscape, because you don't want to put, let's say, a really long tall image in a place where a normal portrait style normal landscape style image had been. Okay, so all you need to do with this is just down here is the button, green button, upload an image, and you'll see that that image is now in place instead of that one that I had there previously. The only other thing that I would say is for SEO, if you go to, you've got design, you've got advanced. If you go to advanced, these are things that Google sees behind the image because it can't actually read an image. So you tell it what that image is about in as short a way as possible. Like this one has picked up the file name, so it's now changed to business web design package. The image alternative text is what Google reads, and it's got passion for web designing to reflect what I put in the text module. You'll also see design there. The only ones really to look at are alignment. In most cases, always make sure they're center aligned, which that one is. And that's really for when it goes down onto a mobile, to make sure it's always centered. There are other things there. You can play around with them if you want. Like there's a box shadow. You can try the different box shadows and see what you think of them. I'll just settle for that one for now. You always, whatever module you're working on, use the green box with and tick it, providing it's correct, of course. Then you go up here. I'm going to save this as a draft, but you would normally publish or save whatever the button's actually saying. So I'll save that draft. It's really important to remember these steps of saving the work when you finished it. And that's it, basically.